In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a product image gallery with a thumbnail slider in Shopify. This visual feature can enhance your product pages by providing a more dynamic and interactive experience for your customers. Let's dive right into the process and make sure your Shopify store stands out with this engaging gallery format. First things first, before we can set up this feature, we need to install an app called the Geo Product Page Gallery plus Zoom, or any similar app that fits your specific needs. These apps are designed to add functionalities that allow you to customize how your product images are displayed, essentially transforming them into an attractive gallery with a thumbnail slider, which can really elevate the customer's experience when browsing through your products. So, head to the Shopify App Store and download the app. Follow the installation instructions included with the app to get it properly integrated with your store. With the app installed, we're ready to configure the gallery settings in your Shopify online store theme. Navigate to your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, and then Themes. Once you're there, select the Customize button next to your active theme. Within the theme editor, you'll find multiple sections. Look for product information or a similar section where you can manage how your product details are displayed. Under this section, click on Media. This is where you will adjust the settings for your product gallery. Now, with the Media Settings panel open, we need to tweak the layout to make use of thumbnails. This layout option is typically provided by the app you've installed. Most apps will offer a straightforward drop-down or toggle to switch between different gallery styles. Select the Thumbnails option. This setup essentially means that your main product image will be prominently displayed, while smaller thumbnail images of your product will be lined up neatly, either below or beside it, making it easy for customers to click through and view different angles or variations. And finally, once you've configured the settings to your liking and ensured the thumbnails are activating properly within the preview, don't forget this crucial step: save your changes. Simply look for the Save button at the top right corner of the theme editor. Clicking Save ensures that all your modifications are applied to the live store, and customers can now enjoy this enhanced viewing experience when they visit your product pages. By following these steps, you've successfully added a product image gallery with a thumbnail slider to your Shopify store. Remember that a more interactive and visually appealing product display can significantly impact how customers perceive your store and potentially boost your sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!